Well, dear students, as we're discussing the software as a service, we need to discuss the definition. That is, we had a discussion about the definition, and now we are going to discuss about the advantages. If it is asked for 5 marks, you need to. If it is asked for 5 marks and 10 marks, you need to draw the first diagram. Diagram and draw ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Next, you need to write the definition. You need to write the definition. You need to write a definition, whatever it may be. The client is getting the service from the service provider as a software. That's why we are getting the software as a service. The client may get the component of that software or else full complete software. The advantages are, the first one is smaller staff. Why the smaller staff? If you are having your own local server, or if you are having your own software, you need to put maintenance staff, you need to put installation staff, or else ಏನೇನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ರಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ ಬೇಕು. Okay, to monitor that you need a staff. But if you purchase some service from the service provider, the staff of maintenance and all the things are headache of that service provider. So ನನಗೇನಾಗ್ತದೆ, to my organization or to my company, the staff will be smaller. That is benefit to me because the salary of that staff is saved. The salary of that staff is saved. Okay, well or not, your employees will get reliability on web, or your software will get reliability. That is believeness. Software as a service is very reliable, available, easier, implementation easier, reliability other. Okay, web reliability. What is the customization? That is version updation ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಕಸ್ಟಮೈಸೇಷನ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಗರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾಗ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ವರ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾಗ್ಲಿ, ಕಾನ್ಫಿಗರೇಷನ್, ವರ್ಷನ್ ಅಪ್ಡೇಷನ್ ಇವೆಲ್ಲವೂ ಕೂಡ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ provided by the service provider. Assume that I'm having the software. It is developed in small company. How to market it? Less members are there, so I need to advertise or I need to be market for that. So the best market is software as a service. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂತ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೂ ಕೂಡ ಇದು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. Okay, next, more bandwidth. Whenever you are getting a service from the service provider, the service will be having a more bandwidth. That is speed. The speed of the accessness, the speed of the software access or service is more because this is getting from the service provider. Nowadays, one fewer months ago, that is very fast accessing are there because the 5G, optical fibers, ಇವೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನ include ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತಾರ. So ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ nowadays the cloud computing is booming. Okay, so we had a discussion about explain software as a service. These are the questions appeared on the examination. ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಡ್ರಾ, ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್, ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲ್ಯಾಕ್, ಆಬ್ಸ್ಟಾಕಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರ. ಬರ್ದ್ರಪ್ಪ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಆಬ್ಸ್ಟಾಕಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್. ಸುಮ್ಕೂಡ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ಆಬ್ಸ್ಟಾಕಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರ ಡಿಸ್ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್, ಲಿಮಿಟೇಷನ್ಸ್. ಆಬ್ಸ್ಟಾಕಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರ ಡಿಸ್ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜಸ್, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಲಿಮಿಟೇಷನ್ಸ್. Hope this question you got it. Am I right? Got it? Raise your hands if it is got. If you got, raise your hand. Okay, can you able to write the answer for software as a service? Okay. Okay. The next question may ask, explain a platform as a service with a diagram. Illiterate. Very interesting thing. Very interesting thing. You need to modify the diagram only here. You need to write PaaS. Platform as a service. What is the platform as a service? This service is provided by the servers which are present with service provider. Lakshya, definition I am telling what you need to write. After this diagram, I have that draw the diagram, sir. Next, I need to write a definition. Next, I need to write a definition. ಅಂತಂದಾಗ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದ ಅಂತಂದ್ರ definition ಅನ್ನ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದ. This is a service provided by the service provider for whom? The developers. For the developers, not a company. Developers, developing companies. What do you mean by the platform? The supportive software like Java, JRE, HTML, JavaScript. HTML and JavaScript are made for the dynamic web applications. ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ವೆಬ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ನಿಮ್ಗ CSS ಆಗಲಿ ಜಾವಾ ಸಿ ಆಗಲಿ ಇವೆಲ್ಲವೂ ಜಾವಾ ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್ ಆಗಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾವ ಸಿಗ್ತಾವ. ಇಂಥ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಟು ರನ್ ದ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್. ದ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಕಂಟೈನ್ ಕಂಪೈಲರ್ಸ್, ಇಂಟರ್ಪ್ರಿಟರ್ಸ್, ಆಲ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡರ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ ಅಂತಂದ್ರ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ದ ಜಾವಾ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್, they will provide a whole complete Java to you. What you are doing now, you are not purchasing a software, you are purchasing a platform. Some companies are going to purchase application plus platform. It is conjunction anta karitivi. Enanta karitivi? Some companies what happened here? Some companies are going to get service from the service provider for software plus platform as a service. For example, ಈಗ ನಂದೊಂದು ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ, that is aeroplane booking. ಇದೊಂದು ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್. For example, this is a software. This software is developed in Visual Studio. This software is developed in Visual Studio, which is having a .NET framework. .NET framework is a platform for this application. I will purchase this service, that is airplane booking is a software. The .NET framework is a platform. What I'm going to do, I will purchase this one software plus also I'm going to purchase .NET framework platform. So both are here software plus this one. What is software plus platform? These two are combined. Conjunction ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, or else it is called as mashup. What it is called as? Mashup. ನೀವು ಅಂತಿರಲ್ಲ ಮಿಕ್ಸಪ್ ಅಂತಿರಲ್ಲ, that is a mashup songs ಅಂತ ಕರಿತಿರಲ್ಲ. ಹಂಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ both service are combined, those called as a conjunction, or else it is called as a mashup. Question mark. This question may ask in 2 marks. If we purchase or if we subscribe for both software plus platform as a service, those services are known as a mashup service or as conjunction service. Adikena kariತೀವಿ ನಾವು conjunction services ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. I hope it is clear. Yes? Well, now come to the point. Platform as a service. What we are going to discuss now? Platform as a service. This is a service provided for web developers. Service provided for web developers from the provider side. service provider. Okay, yes or no? Are you clearing with the concepts? Are you clearing with the concepts? Well, what the platform as service includes? It includes development. It includes development. You can develop the application. You can testing. That is, you can test your application. Develop ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, test ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, design, web design ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, web design ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. You can design your webs. Then you can host your application. You can host your application. Database integration. You can integrate database to your developed applications. You can integrate your database with developed applications. Okay, ಇವೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ ನಾವು. Platform as a service includes development, testing, designing, and hosting of application, and also it having the additional feature, that is you can integrate your database. You can integrate your database. Okay, got it? Raise your hand if it is clear. Well, what happens here? ಇಲ್ಲಿ three different type of systems ಬರ್ತಾವ. Platform as service is containing three different type of systems. ಮೂರು ತರ systems ಬರ್ತಾವ. ಒಂದು add-on development utilities. ಒಂದೇನ್ರಿ ನಮಗೆ add-on development utilities. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು standalone. Add-on utilities development and standalone utility and application delivery. Application delivery only environment. Standalone environment. Next, application delivery. Application delivery environment. What is the add-on development utilities? Add-on development utilities ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊರಿ. Add-on utilities ಅಂದ್ರೆ development utilities ಅಂದ್ರೆ if you are developing web applications, ನೀವೇನೋ ಒಂದು ವೆಬ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡಾಕತ್ತೀರಿ. ಈಗ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ಡ್ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್. ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದದ. ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದ this service is not having some packages. That is, this platform is not having, this subscription is not having some applications. Assume that recharge ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು. ಪ್ಲಾನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾವ 399, 499. 399 ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಫೀಚರ್ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, 499 ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದ ಡೈಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 1 GB ಸಿಗ್ಲಿರತ್ತದ ಡೇಟಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಅವಾಗ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಯು ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಆಡ್ ಆನ್ ಡೇಟಾ. ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ರೀಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಡ್ ಆನ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಅಂತ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ತಿಳಿತದ? ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. ಆಡ್ ಆನ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1+1 ನೀವು ರಿಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 1 GB ಕೊಡ್ತದೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಡ್ ಆನ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಹಂಗೆ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ನೀವು ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮ್ ಲೈಬ್ರರೀಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ. ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಐ ಬೈ ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜಸ್ ಆರ್ ಯುಟಿಲಿಟಿನ ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅಥವಾ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾ? ಎಸ್, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅವೈಲಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಡ್ ಆನ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಯುಟಿಲಿಟೀಸ್. You can subscribe for additional features. You can subscribe for additional features. I hope it is clear. Standalone environment andre enu? Standalone environment in the sense it is not having a licensing. ಇದಕ್ಕೇನಿರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, these applications are not having a licensing ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟ್ ವರ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ, ಲೈಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನೀವೇನೇ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡೆನ್ಸೀಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡೆನ್ಸಿ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡೆನ್ಸೀಸ್ ಏನಿರ್ತಾವ ಭಾಳ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಇದಾಗುದ್ರಿಂದ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಲೋನ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಲೈಸೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ technical and financial dependencies are there. Technical and financial dependencies are there. Okay. Next, application delivery is the environment. Application delivery is the environment. ಎದಕ್ಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಯೂಸರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. So can I use this platform as a service for hosting? Yes, you can use for hosting using this system, application developing environment. Add-on ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ some utilities present ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊರಿ, ನೀವು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕೋ ಅದು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ you can go for add-on. Standalone environment ಅನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, that is not having a license. Application, after developing your application, you can host your application. You can host your applications by this platform as a service. ಇಷ್ಟು ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ. I hope today's session is clear with you. Tomorrow I am going to take a classes. Well, be prepared for your examination.